Ito yung first Instax film namin. Ang sungit-sungit naman ang itsura ng anak ko dyan.
Bữa giờ cả không ấy. Đây còn đi chẳng hẹp thịt thở ấy. Wow, đầu tiên là siêu khi ẩm tương thịt thở.
Lần cơ thể tùm dày áo
Hello.
Kumusta ka? Kung wala pang nakamusta sa'yo this week, ako na yung kakamusta sa'yo. How are you, bestie? Tsaka relax mo to. Relax mo yan. Ayan. Tapos huwag mo masyado i-clench yung jaw mo. Relax. Yun. Yung noo mo nakakunot. Relax. Ayan. Tense. Okay. Basta huwag mo kalimutan mag-hydrate. Kasi kapag dehydrated ka, bilis ka mapagod, bilis ka magalit, bilis ka maging cranky, lahat. What's up guys? Benedict here. It's been a while. The other day, someone messaged me on Instagram. Uso ata ngayon yung trend na how many likes before you give me? Ganito, ganyan. Ay, sobrang antok ko nun. Sabi ko, 1,000 likes. Effortan niya. Ganyan. Vlogging camera pala yung hiningi niya. But that's fine. Share your blessings. Ang daming likes na nung post niya. So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, please give me 1 to 2 weeks for me to prepare. Madami pa kasi yung gagawin this week. But a promise is a promise. Hindi tayo magsa-scam. Pero sana i-utilize mo yung vlogging camera at sipagin ka. Today, we're gonna have a lot of visitors. Tagal ko lang di nakakita ng ibang tao dito sa bahay and I'm so excited. Ito, dalawang friends ko na to, they came all the way from Norway. Yung baby nila, inaanak ko. So, mag-bonding tayo today with them. Sobrang excited na ako. Gusto kasi nila i-visit si Papa. Sakto, dito sila sa Philippines. Eh, syempre, pagdating nila, dapat hindi halatang pagod tayo at fresh lang yung atake. May atake. Let us unbox some gifts and packages from friends and favorite brands. If you remember, si Mars Arroyo, padala siya sa akin when she saw the news na meron akong baby. May note din siya. Thank you so much, Mars! Happy birthday and happy Father's Day. Late na kasi niya na-send to. I just wanna say I'm so proud of where you are right now. Naalala ko na kwento mo dati na your goal in life is to have a child and now he's with you na. Nakita ko sa photoshoot yung picture ni Alec and I really hunted these designer figs for you. Tatlo yung binigay niya. I think this is randomized. That's why. Sobrang cute. Hot siya. Thank you so much, Marsky. From Aggie. Set na siya, oh. Wow! Bagong damit na naman po ang anak ko. They always buy things for my son and not for me anymore. Package from Uniqlo from their Arism collection. Daddy ang outfitan natin dito. Ganda ng tela. Parang ang sarap nito pantulog. Ay, large to. Last is from Twitter. This one makes me really excited to unbox. As someone who loves perfume so much, basically loves smelling good all the time, important for me to leave good impression. Kahit sa mga existing friends, dapat paglabas ng CR, game na game ka na agad. This is Axe's newest and most premium range, the Axe Fine Fragrance Collection. Ito yung 3 revolutionary fragrances nila to smell finer than perfumes. Ganda, no? When you look at the packaging, it's very sleek. Simple, classy, and not tacky. They have 3 scents. Mapapa-reflect ka. Ayan, no? Let's do a sniff test. Axe Fine Fragrance Collection. Blue Lavender. Let's try. Mint and Amber scent. Definitely not super strong, not super sweet. If I were to describe it, sobrang relaxed siya. Chill lang siya. Aqua Bergamot. Yung babasa doon? Bergamo. Sage plus Juniper scent. Dito lang pala si Juniper. Interesting. Cooler, I would say. Gives me like a fresh and classic feel into it. It reminds me of tropical ocean, if it makes sense. Emerald Sage, Cedar, and Patchouli scent. Oh! I think ito yung favorite ko so far sa tatlo. Bango! Gusto ko to, mas elevated, mas classy yung vibe niya. This one is giving expensive. This one wins my heart. Quick question and answer. Why did you announce that you were a single father? Aside from the fact that I wanted to reach people who have the same experience as me, like single moms, single dads, I have to admit, I also want to reach them because I need support system too. Sa vlogs ko, it may seem as easy as it can be, but it's not easy. But I also don't want to stress out that fatherhood is not easy because it's a very rewarding experience. Hindi ko rin naman siya sobrang i-romanticize dahil there's also struggles behind it despite being rewarding. I guess kahit kasi sobrang open-minded ng mga tao ngayon, there are still instances when single parenthood is being frowned upon because paano mo kakayanin mag-isa ka? At some point, magkukulang ka. And I think I am here not to show the perfection of being a single parent, but to let you guys see that this moment of my life is navigatable and I want you guys to navigate it with me. For sure, there will be a lot of times na sobrang clueless ako sa ginagawa ko, and I think it's very important to be surrounded by an audience that's very empowering. I want to share my learnings, but I also want to get help and advice. Ganun siya. I seldom see single fathers. It's something na hindi ko dapat ikahiya. Grabe yung katawan ko. Kailangan na mag-workout ulit. I need confidence. I'm gonna start with routine that makes me confident, which is number 1, smelling good. Nakakataas ng self-esteem. The best way is you start your morning with a bang. Dapat umaga pa lang, pag nakita ka na ng tao, head turner ka na. Who is this person? Really excited to use this. I love this scent so much. Grabe, para ka talagang nagpabango. This is literally how you smell finer than perfumes. Let's go and conquer the day. May laban.
Good morning sa construction sa labas. Alexa, stop.
Binili na naman ng nanay ko online. Hindi pa nakakaupo si baby. Kaso nabudol siya dito. Literal na cover lang talaga siya. So pag bibili kayo online, make sure to look at the reviews to know if you can trust the seller, if the quality of the product is good. The quality of this cover is good, pero sobrang wala siyang laman. Flat siya nung dumating. So ang ginawa nila, Liza, nagsira siya ng luma naming unan, tapos nilagay na sa loob yung mga bulak ng unan na yan. But it's so cute. Like, ito, nilagay din nila yung bulak dito. Meron din akong Instax. Hindi ako believer ng Instax before because I felt like I was just wasting my money on films. So, lahat ng pwedeng memories, ginagawa ko na. Ito yung first Instax film namin. Ang sungit-sungit naman ang itsura ng anak ko dyan.
Black and white kasi yung nabili ko na film. Di pala colored. Sinabit namin siya dyan. Ito yung...
Another thing I probably have ROI'd so many times already. The humidifier. So, you know how humid our country is kasi nga surrounded tayo by body of water. You know also how bacteria thrive on water. Lalo na kapag humid yung place natin, madali tayong magkakasakit ganyan. Every 12 hours, punong-puno yung tubig dito. Tinatapon ko siya sa sink. Hanggang ngayon, nagugulat pa rin ako that ganun karami ang tubig sa hangin.
Morning!
Morning.
Ang apo niya agad. Apo is life. Wala na akong picture dyan sa phone niya. Puro apo na.
小籠包，小籠包，你看做嚟嚟緊啊？俾個隻嚟嚟啊？係咪要食嚟嚟啊？
Pau Pau! Ay sus! Chuchut! Good morning! Chuchut! Grabe anak, parang toddler ka na oh. Ay sus! Diyan na si Ninang. Ninang! Hi!
May Father's Day gift pa nga ako sa'yo, tsaka birthday gift.
Grabe naman yung online seller natin.
Papalit mo.
Ang dami naman!
OA, wala lang yan.
Ay! Tingnan mo binili ng lola sa kanya. Oh.
Ay, oo nga, no.
May mga colors pa yan.
Pag naapa ka may sound.
Oo. Asya kaya to?
Pang 1 year nakalagay.
1 year to?
Oo, nakalagay.
Oh my God.
Month.
Red na red. Ah.
Dapat ba? Mas malaki pa?
Hindi, okay yan. Thank you. Bakit 58? Bakit may price?
Gag.
May pasalubong din pala ang tatay. Chocolate with lait.
Bagay sa'yo. Manla.
Ah, wow. Ah, grab.
Ako din pala.
May order kasi ako ng pizza.
Ako din. Magdagdag
Pizza?
ako.
Hello? Andito na po. Ay, kayo? Po, lalabas na po ako.
Nakapark na.
Where's my inaanak?
Long time no see!
Oh my gosh. Baka ma-shock siya.
Who's that?
Nakatulog ka ba?
We have Langka.
Ano nangyari sa view? Uy, may mali akong nagawa. Ano nangyari? Ba't yung camera sa side?
Ano to? What's this one?
Osmo.
Oh my gosh.
Super good.
Perfume ba kayo sa bahay?
Ano lang to? Totoo nga.
Hi, baby!
It's hot here, no?
Sorry. Wala
That's
kaming
the
snow.
Philippines.
Sagad na to eh. Ang laki ng anak ko.
You look so much like...
Ay, like me? Really? Oh, first time yun ah.
Hi,
Kasi pag umiyak ka, iiyak din si Ari. Ay, sus.
Aww.
1, 2, Luis.
Sleepy pa.
Hi to Kuya.
Hi.
Hindi pa niya nap time.
Hindi pa niya nap time.
No, I mean.
Hindi siya.
Hindi, kakanap niya lang. Dilat na dilat siya eh. Pag kami yung mahawa ako.
Bakit ba? So, welcome to the No Tulog team.
I know. Buti nga hinahelp ako ni Ate.
Yeah.
What color is the baby wearing?
Say hi.
Color?
Here
What's this?
Oh, that's cute.
Akit tayo. Nagpa-aircon ako sa taas. Summer na summer dito kasi.
Actually, sabi daw nila sobrang init tong May.
Sobra.
Nong. Ayan, umalis na siya. Ala, hala. Marireveal yung laman. Ma'am.
Say thank you, Luke. Can you say thank you?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, it's yours. Okay, fine. You want to eat some? Come here.
Yeah. Yeah, Mama's gonna sit beside you.
He doesn't cry, no? Hindi siya crier.
Hindi siya yayakin.
I don't like that part.
Yan na yung future ko. Yung ayaw niya, kakainin ko. How do you say delicious in Norwegian?
Dailig. Pero we say yum para madali.
Nag-aaral din siya Norwegian.
Marunong na siya.
Marunong siya?
Daycare is
O tayo. Ay, tinulugan na tayo.
How was the last 3 months?
Spectacular.
Nag-ready siya ng answer.
He laughs a lot.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, I told you na parang he laughs a lot for
Super. Anak ko, tipsy na.
Tipsy sa antok.
Antok na. Kaya lagi namin siya nilalabas sa room pagka daytime para paggabi talaga, boobs, tulog.
Thank you, Lai.
Thank you, Liza.
Paano ang demure naman ang pag Thank you,
Wow.
Lai.
Cherries and dragon fruit. Punti!
Akala ko friends tayo,
Lagot
Liza eh. Kulitin mo yung tanong mo.
Ganyan sila sa probinsya nila. Very straightforward.
Pero naman, di naman ako na-offend. Sabi niya rin sa akin last time, tumba ka, no?
Wait lang, may sinabi din siya sa akin the other day. Noong first week niya dito, sabi niya, "Hindi ka gwapo in person." Sorry.
Na.
Sabi niya, mas okay ka nung pag sa video.
Ang cute kasi nung pagkakasabi niya, buntis ka?
Pero hindi siya harmful. Hindi, wala siyang
At saka hindi ka naman, or hindi din kasi ako
naive lang talaga siya.
Hindi ka ma-offend.
Oh.
Are we friends now?
Yeah.
Friends na? Ay, sus!
Dance, dance daw. Dance, guys.
Naiira na puro kids na dito.
Dance, dance. Stop.
Walang magsa-stop. I don't eat that, anak.
Oy, sweetheart. Chunky corned beef.
Nung ganyan sayan.
Inaano ba kayo ng anak?
Pakitaan mo nga rin ang side eye. Magkaalaman tayo kung sinong kamukha.
Ano naman kasi hip-hop yung mga music dito? Nakapikit na ba siya? Hindi.
Hindi pa nga eh.
Ayan
Hindi niyo ako mauto.
Where's Louis?
Louis!
Wow! Yay!
More?
Oh, one more.
Ang bilis naman.
Ang bilis naman.
One more hug. Oh. Ayos. Thank you for visiting.
Say thank you, Luke.
Kiss lang, no?
Out.
Out. They're out.
Alis na, alis na.
Sorry. Out. See you again in
A few.
a
Whenever
few
you're
weeks.
available.
Before you go back to Norway. Punta daw kayo ulit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tapon.
树下面要胖啊！
Secret.
胖哦，树下面。
Order kami. Lechon.
John mga boy.
Lechon baboy. Medium pa ikaw dyan.
Tiga balata si cha ulo. Ye lasa si tokbo eh.
Kasi Cebu, best lechon. Ingay naman construction. Pipin sa am titikhaw. Bake hunji juya.
Takdo level song.
Pakdo huang.
有人啊，就40分鐘嚟。
像那恁往班恁的干那阮嗰边一来就吃了，你吃一点钟啊就吃了，无会做种啥物啊，无代表食一人干补啊，可能等下再搁食。
这也大只咯，个咱就给弹回哩。
Apa ka na?
Dapat ya pak.
Baby pa.
哦，每一家同佢你當你站下佚佗啊。我無掂啊，收起啊，唔當佚佗。
Hanggang ko ito唔知ako.
連烹嘅企咧，係個廁所裏邊有嘅吧。
Kita kailan mong di ampalaya recipe. Gawa tayo bukas. Akala nila masarap eh.
Masarap nga.
Masarap nga. Lasang ampalaya. Pag mahilig ka sa ampalaya, masarap. Pag hindi mapait talaga. Bukas?
Pwede.
Isog.
I never knew I needed my friends, not until they came to visit. Happy naman ako dito sa house, being busy with Alec, everything that I needed to accomplish at home, and working alone. But I guess I really just missed the presence of other human beings around me. Kasi dito sa bahay, wala ako masyadong nakakausap. Mas introvert talaga ako dito. Thank you, Aggie, Sarah, and family for visiting me. That means a lot. It makes me realize din talaga how impactful it is to check up on your friends from time to time. I know a lot of people like me who do not like asking for help, for favor. May times na tinatamad ka rin mag-rant or mag-de-stress, ganon. And it means a lot when people are just being present. The least you expected them to be. I guess that's a lesson for today. Even if meron akong sariling family, I'll try my best to still be present in other people's lives from time to time. Today, check up on your friends. Ito ang bago kong obsession. Sobrang addict ako mag-soda water. Ang mahal. So, ang ginawa ko ngayon, bumili ako ng pang Sodafy. Ako na yung gagawa ng soda water ko. Ang lakas ko kasi mag-soft drinks before. Soda water actually less than this. I still drink from time to time, pero ito super helpful siya. Mga 3. Pwede mo yan lagyan ng fruits, ganyan. Soda water. Let me know kung ano yung pwedeng ilagay sa soda water to make it more delectable. I was thinking to put more fruits, mint leaves, syrup, ganyan. Woo! Ninibago ka at first because it's just literally water with spirit. But it's a good way to lessen your cravings sa soft drinks. Ay. Umiyak na po ang anak ko. That's it for this video. Kita-kits on Monday. 再见.